Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add strike-through and remove strike-through in Microsoft Excel. This is easy function for Microsoft Excel, but most of the time you don't know where to find it. So let's get started, and I'm going to add strike through to all these 7 cells and I'm going to select them. Now I'm going to click on this arrow button. Okay, now if you click there, this format cell dialog box will pop up, and take a look at here effects, and here you will find strike through. If you check mark this option and click OK, and done. You can see now all these 7 cells has been strike through. So if you undo that option, just click on this arrow again. Now uncheck this strike through option and click OK. So it's back to normal. That's what I wanted to show you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, if you want to learn Microsoft Excel VBA, check out this playlist. Thank you. Thanks for watching.